Hey guys, Parkour Everyday here, and we're at what's it called? Walmart. And we're gonna get some wrestlers. We got
I don't know
Roy.
where you guys are going.
Where's he going?
Where are you going? Hey.
No.
Devin, you're losing your mind.
I guess if you want to. Do it. Oh, you can do it.
In one of the aisles.
Hey, stupid, look.
He's gonna spit on the floor.
No.
In the aisle, watch.
I don't know you, Roy.
Yeah, go it. Okay, bye. Come on.
It was like 2 hours laughing it up over here.
He was like, yo.
Yeah, if you want.
Yeah, let's find some
Is this even no? This isn't the wrestling aisle. Oh, maybe it is. It is.
Yeah, it is.
Who should I get?
Oh, look. Triple H. Oh, $20.
What? Look.
Here. Take your $20.
Look under here. See if anybody put.
Oh, guys, look, there's a fake belt here, guys.
I'm gonna get Tyler Breeze.
Hi, guys.
Look, he's got the
Devin
electrical.
with Jay. They have YouTube channels. So
Look
we can tell.
at the camera.
Devin,
look
say
how
your-
horrible he is.
Devin,
Camera.
I didn't realize my
Devin, say your YouTube channel.
Parkour every day. Okay, so I'm gonna get him.
Parkour every day, and what's
Jason
your
and Devin are for you.
Jason and Devin, and you're free. I'm just in here.
Oh, Triple H. That's the Undertaker, Ryback. Well, that's who Ryback is. I never knew who Ryback was. There's Albert Dorito. I got Albert Dorito. I'm gonna call him
Oh, look at all the characters for $60.
60? No, they don't. They have Andre the Giant, Ric Flair, Bret Hart, John Cena, Daniel, and Brock Lesnar. Daniel, Brian, Jesus, I think.
I'm getting Tyler Breeze.
You like my new cruiser? Jay, you like my new cruiser? Look at his new truck, bud.
It's $18
I'm just talking to you, man.
Jay, it's $18 for him.
I'll have to put it back then.
No, I'm buying it.
Hey, Troy, watch out. Devin, I'm getting an RT car. Oh,
This is his selfie stick. Yeah.
I like a selfie stick.
That ain't no selfie.
Yeah.
Roy,
Look
look,
at this
$30
one.
for a mini drone.
Guys, come on.
$30 for a mini drone.
No.
$30 for a mini drone. I said that like 4 times. Oh, I want this one for 30. Any other wrestlers, guys?
Shopkin.
Shopkins, where's Shopkins? Oh, Felix is gonna go out of her mind for that. Guys, you guys are gonna get a receiver? Why?
These are $30.
I don't have $30.
Wait, I don't have to. I got 20. Should I get this guy? Or should I get Bam Bam Bigelow?
I don't care. You just do horrible recording. That's why I never trust you that time.
You guys aren't gonna do a race. You're not gonna get one and do a race with it.
I don't have $30.
Ask mom.
No.
I'll buy that one for 10.
Which one? Yeah, we should each get one. The little $10 one.
No, I want one that goes really fast.
Oh.
Can somebody grab me the green one on top? No, I want this one.
That's
Can somebody
30.
grab the one on top?
It's $30 though.
Someone,
Grab it. Just pull it down.
yo, hold this one. Help me.
No, you can.
How much is that?
Jesus.
How much is that huge thing? It's like $100.
I know it's 25. That's
getting
25, Devin.
Only 25? No, it's not. Are you
Yeah, it
serious?
is. It says 2500.
We're getting one. Screw the wrestler.
Yeah, screw it.
I hate Tyler Breeze now, which I always hated him. But it's just like
I want this blue red one.
here, I'm gonna set it up right here.
Got a face? Show the viewers. Wait, no, please don't make that face and just show it.
Okay,
No, please don't make that face. Okay. This is what Jay's getting. Let's see what Devin's doing.
Yeah, Devin, look. I saw a green one. You might be a green one.
Alright.
I'm
I'm getting this yellow one, guys.
Yep, screw the headphones.
We're getting this for $25. Please, can you give me $5?
Why do you need this?
We're gonna race with them. Wait, is this even a remote control? No, it's not. There's no remote for it.
Yes, there is.
Oh yeah, yes there is. I'm stupid. We're gonna race them.
I was just saying there has to be a remote. Can you put your phone in your pocket, please?
Oh my god, I almost forgot my 20.
Devin, I swear to God.
This guy's $18. I thought he was 10, but he's not. Okay, guys.